Uh, Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you from the Olympiad Success family. I'm Aarti and I will be your host for today. So students, as you already know, like we are here for a demo and interaction program for grade 7 mathematics Olympiad. And in this session, basically the flow of this session would be, first of all, there would be an introduction by your ma'am, Meena ma'am, who would be taking up this entire course. After that, we would be having a short presentation about this course. Post the presentation, we would be like taking you through a tour of the platform wherein you would be like you would understand how to access the reading material and other content. Post that, we would be having a short question and answer round. So in case if you have any doubts, any queries, you can write it down in the chat section and we would be happy to answer all your queries. Post the question and answer round, we would be starting with the demo round for which we all are here. Correct? So let us make this session quite interactive and ask as many questions as possible to your mentor, to us, and we would be happy to answer. Right? So students, just a brief about Olympiad Success I would like to give. So a few of you are already our existing students of Olympiad Success. So for the others, like basically Olympiad Success, it's an online preparation platform for Olympiad examinations. And as I was telling you earlier about the 8 subjects which we offer, wherein we have skill building courses also. So which are essential for everyone, right? So these are the essential subjects which makes sure for a holistic development of the kid, right? So there are Olympiads, there's preparation for the Olympiads and there's a preparation for your skill building, right? And at Olympiad Success, like basically in these live classes, we focus on conceptual clarity. Okay, so we make sure that once the course is completed, the student is well aware, his concepts are very clear, his foundation is strong enough so that any question, anything coming from that grade or higher grade as well, the student is able to answer those. Okay, so we basically focus on the practical applications rather than the rote learning and rather than just doing the direct questions. Correct? So it's more of practical application and strengthening your conceptual understanding. Okay, so Meena ma'am, so today's like today we have Meena ma'am with us. So she has been associated with Olympiad Success for quite a long time now, and she has a wonderful teaching experience, and she is a lovely teacher. So Meena ma'am, over to you for a brief introduction, and yeah, over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Aarti ma'am. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Happy with the new session? Just started with your new session or it has been long? Yes, okay. See, today you can commute with me on the using your chat box. So because we will not be able to unmute today because this being a demo session, and like as academic qualification, I have done my master's with statistics as my subject. Then I did my MBA in international business, and I also did my BA. Now, setting all these things aside, I am with you all because I love teaching children. That's it. I have been teaching children for more than 25 years now. Can you believe? Yes. I have been teaching. And if you add some more experience, I was teaching even when I was a student like you all. Right? So I've been teaching for a long, long time because I love teaching. That's it. Right? And I hope we all together have a pleasant journey and we all learn together. You learn from me, I learn from you because you people are very smart. So I want to hone up my skills with you also. Right? So looking forward to a wonderful session at Olympiad Success Platform. Ready, children? All the best. Over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Meena ma'am. And kids, I just forgot one thing to mention, like as Meena ma'am was mentioning that you have started with a new session. So this is our second batch which we have started for math grade 7, right? So we had started our live classes in April, and this is like sorry, in March, and this is April now, and we have started with a new session again. So this is really like your love and your trust in us that we are able to start multiple batches while our previous batches are already run. So Thank you so much, Meena ma'am, for reminding me. Actually, I just forgot that, and it's really a pleasure to have you on the platform. And kids, I'm sure that you are going to love her classes because it's out of her passion. Like whenever you are passionate about something, you deliver the best, right? And so that's the special thing about her, and I'm sure you're going to love her classes. So now over to Rajan sir for a brief introduction, for a brief presentation basically about the course. So Rajan sir, over to you.
Yes, sure, ma'am. I'm just sharing my screen. Is it visible, ma'am? Okay.
Mm,
So, welcome students to the demo of Class 7 Mathematics for Olympiad. So, firstly, let me tell you about us, about Olympiad Success. So, Olympiad Success is India's largest online tuition platform for Olympiad exam. We have Olympiad live classes. This is our third year in live classes. We have School Plus program, and in School Plus program, we offer 8 courses that are mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication spoken and written both, Vedic maths, and also coding. What else, students? We offer online CBSE plus Olympiad classes for grade 6 to 10, one-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics yard like SESMO, CMO, Hong Kong International Mathematics Olympiad, TIMO, Math Count, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, PRMO, and also JEE main tuition classes. So meet the rank holder for session 2021. So we got 40 plus international rank 1, 70 plus top 5 international rank, and 120 plus top 10 international rank. This year also we got very good ranks. We are compiling the result and we will release soon. So these are the rank holder of Olympiad success. Now about this course, students. So this will be there will be group classes, and the classes will be conducted Zoom platform only. So there will be 3 sessions per week. The days will be Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. And the timing of the class will be 6:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. So the class duration will be 75 minutes. Okay, students? And the session include mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, discussion, and we will also discuss previous year paper. And students, you will also get reading material, practice question on dashboard of Olympiad Success. And students, you will get free access of Olympiad Success platform for logical reasoning and maths worksheet. Now, the syllabus link I will share in the chat box. The fees for this course, students, is 11,470, and there will be 54 session in this. The payment link I will share in the chat box. The fee include online classes, daily reading note exercise, practice of previous year paper, and also we will give you access to the worksheet for maths and logical reasoning. And students, just for today, if you enroll today, you will get free CREST Olympiad Mathematics Olympiad exam, that is CMO exam. So to join this course, what you need? You just need a laptop with good internet speed and headphone. Okay, students. And students, like preparation for Olympiad exam is tougher than your school curriculum, as there will be some questions from upper grade also. So you need to spend approximately 1 or 2 hours, okay, to cope up with the curriculum. And parent support is also needed to check the answers and retrieve concepts. So the live classes for this course will start from 26th April, student. And currently we are actually catering in 35 plus countries, and we have students from 3,800 schools. So this is about the course, students. Now Aarti ma'am will share with you, will give you the tour of Olympiad Success portal, like how you can check the content. And after that, we will having a QA round. And if you have any question, any doubt, you can ask. Over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rajan sir, for a detailed presentation about the course. So now let me share my screen for the same. Okay, so students, like what you have to do is once you enroll for this program, you would be getting your credentials. So you need to log in here. The login link is olympiadsuccess.com/login. You have to enter your credentials and then click on the sign in button. Once you are signed in, you would be redirected to your profile page. What you need to do is, like, there are two important links on the left panel which you see. So first is live classes. Once you click on that, what you need to do is, like, you have to click on Maths Olympiad. You have to click on the topic. So let's say I would want to see for number system. So here you can see, like, the number system, reading material, practice questions, and answer key are available. So once I click on reading material, let's say it's set 1. So we have 3 sets for this number system. So here the content for number system is available. Okay. And now the next thing is practice questions. So once you click on the practice questions, you would be given like many questions for you to practice. So you have to do them, and once you are done with the practice questions, if you would want to compare the answers, what you need to do is just click on the answer keys and the answer keys page will open up, and from there you can match your answers with your answers. Okay. So first is this, then second is, if you click on the view schedule button, here a detailed session wise schedule would be available to you, like in session 1 what we would be taking, session 2 what, etc, etc. All right. So we have mentioned about the tests also, like when your tests would be conducted and when your course will get completed. Okay. So generally, like we keep last few sessions for your practice, for doubt solving, for solving previous year papers, etc. So here if I see, so like in around 49 sessions your course will get completed, and the remaining sessions will be for your doubt sessions and super classes. So by super classes I mean that you would be solving previous year papers, and like if you have any doubts, any queries, that would be getting resolved in the classes. Okay. So we have quite structured schedule available over here, and we have the holiday calendar as well. So in case like so here you can see the dates. So on all these dates, the classes will not be conducted. So the latest, if I see 14th of April, so this is Mahavir Jayanti, so no classes will be conducted on this date, right? And finally, the Zoom meeting ID and password. So we would be putting some real Zoom meeting ID and password over here for you to access the class. Like whenever there is a class, you have to join using this meeting ID and password. And then now talking about the worksheets, like which Rajan sir had also spoken about. So basically, once you enroll to this program, you are eligible for a free topic-wise worksheet for mathematics and logical reasoning. Okay. So if I click on comprehensive mathematics, so here you can see like you have got many worksheets for you to practice, and these are all topic-wise. So algebraic expressions, comparing quantities, concept of percentage, etc, etc. So if I click on the take exam button, let's say, so let's click on the start worksheet button. So these worksheets are in the form of test. Okay. So you have to read the question, you have to mark your answer and proceed. All right. Once you are done with the exam, click on the finish button, and you would be shown your answer key, wherein the question, the options, the correct answer, and what you had answered would be coming in. Okay. And we have mentioned the explanation also for few of the questions. Okay. And like in case if you would want to see the answer keys later on, what you need to do is just click on the performance tab on the left panel, and here like whatever topic wise worksheets you have attempted, the list would be coming in. And just to see the answer keys, click on the view button. First of all, you would be displayed the summary of that examination, and then once you click on the review button, you would be getting the answer keys page. Okay. So students, these are the two important things which you should know. First is the worksheets, and second is the live classes from where you can access the material. All right. So now I'll just stop the screen sharing, and now if you have any doubts, you can let us know in the chat section, and we would be happy to answer all your queries.
So I think ma'am Dhanisha raised the hand when you're speaking. So Dhanisha, if you have any doubt, you can just write in the chat box. It is one-on-one teaching. She's asking.
Darsh, so can anyone tell me, is it one-to-one or group teaching? Can anyone let me know? Yes, absolutely, students. This is group teaching. Rajan sir had also mentioned during his presentation. So these would be group classes with around 15 to 20 students in each batch, right?
We have one question, ma'am. If we miss any class, we can see the recording.
Kashvi, first of all, like we would request everyone not to miss any of the classes, because Studying in a live class is much better than seeing at the recording and learning, correct? Because you get to learn from your peers and there are many other things. But in case if there is any emergency, or if you would want to take the leave, want to, like, you have to miss the session anyhow, so in that case the recordings would be available, although the recordings would be available always. So for all the classes, all the sessions, the recordings will be there with you. Okay.
Any other questions, students? Will there be any doubt session for practice sheet?
So like generally, Kashvi, what we'd be doing is like whenever your mentor is taking any topic, okay, so let's say if she's teaching number system, so she would make sure that all your doubts are clear. And once you do the practice questions, if you have any doubts, you can certainly ask in the next class uh, before she starts with a new topic, right, Meena ma'am?
Okay, any other questions, students? Okay, just tell me like what are the days when we have the classes? Let's see who is attentive in the class. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. Yes. So the class will be Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, we got one more question, ma'am. If I enroll for 2 or 3 subjects, then days will be fixed accordingly.
So Kashvi, yes, the days will be fixed. Basically, these are group classes, right? And after much research and everything, and we have come up with the days and the timing for these classes, right? So these would be fixed and cannot be changed. In case like if your time is clashing with some other activity of yours, you can certainly drop us a WhatsApp message on our registered mobile number, which is 95607 64447. And there, like, just drop your request that you are looking for this in this session, but then your days and timing would be different. So in case like if we are planning to start the next batch, we can consider your request and do the same, right? But then for like whatever you are seeing on the all batch details page, the link which Rajan sir had shared in the chat section, so if you go to that page, there you can see the detail of every batch, like all the upcoming and ongoing batches which we have for all the grades and subjects.
We have one more question. If we are not available and we miss the class, then okay, I think you have already answered this one.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I think we have. Can I talk at the given number?
Absolutely. You can speak at the given number also.
You can see the recording. Okay. Yes, Kashvi, you can, if you have any other query.
So any other query coming up? Or should we ask you a real tough question? Rajan sir, do we have any real tough question for the students? So that they
Yeah,
can
ma'am.
start working. So I see Darsh is ready with a pen and paper, right, Darsh?
Okay, so we're gonna tell like what is the duration of the course? Like how many months it would take to complete the course? Okay, Kashvi is asking Tuesday, Thursday, or Saturday for maths. What will the days for other subject on the same day or the? Okay, so Kashvi, like I have shared the link. Okay, I've shared again.
Just share
So
that
there is a link
particular
for all
link, all
batch.
batch details link, so she
Okay,
can.
okay.
So Kashvi, Rajan sir, the link which he's sharing, you just click on that link and there click on your class, which is class 7. And under class 7, you can see all the subjects, right? And against each subject, you can see like when that batch is starting, what are the days and timings, right?
So I've shared the all batch details. You can just click on that, okay, to check the subject. Okay, there will be 54 session on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Okay, but for to complete 54 sessions, how many months it will take? 4 months, 5 months,
Come on, kids. This is a simple question. 7 months.
7 months, 3 months. Okay,
So
we
what
got
is the
different
answer?
answers.
1 year.
One
Come
year.
on,
Okay.
students. Come on. Like just do the math. Three days in a week. So how many classes in a month? And then you can reach to the total months. 18 months.
I can see
Yes.
one correct answer here only. That is Ahan, I think. 4.5 months.
Yes, right.
18, 18 weeks, not months. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So I think Aarti ma'am, we can start with the session as they don't have any other
Absolutely.
doubt.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes. So the
So over
students'
to you, Meena
parachute is
ma'am.
open. Mind parachute is open now.
Yes. Yes.
Over to you, Meena ma'am.
Aarti ma'am, I think Kashvi had written in one of her chats that some days are clashing for her.
I'll just check. Okay.
She wrote something about 2 subjects on one day.
I think it's clashing 2 subjects on one day. I checked, but Kashvi, I'll just check and let you know. But then it may be possible that the days are same, but then timing would be different. So I'll just check and let you know. But then we try to keep the batches like there may be a possibility the days can be same, but for the timing, we try to avoid keeping the same time. And if it is there, then we would request, to wait for the next session to start and then you can join. Yeah, so Kashvi, what you can do is the best possible option is to just give a call on the registered mobile number and the person over there would be helping you out with what subjects you are looking forward to and like what is your actually the constraint. Okay. Yes, Sujal, we are starting.
Olympiad is related to only Olympiad exam or it is related to academic year also?
So Vishrut, like as I had mentioned earlier also, so the syllabus which we would be catering to would be from CBSE plus ICSE. So like you would be getting to learn topics from your higher grades as well. And here starting from the basics till the advanced concepts, so everything would be covered. But if I say academic year, so chapter by chapter covering your school topics, that won't be there because we do have our own syllabus defined for the Olympiad classes that you can check. Okay.
Can I add something here, Aarti ma'am?
Yes, definitely.
Most of the academic year is naturally covered here, because for Olympiads we get topics from the school syllabus only. Majorly, it's from the school syllabus only. So whatever is there in the academic year, we normally cover. But it is not that we will cover the exercise by exercise, sum by sum. We don't cover it. The concepts we are covering, all the concepts which are there for your school syllabus, we cover all that. Because for Olympiads, basic preparation is from the school books only, right? Is it clear to you, Vishnu?
Person, can I have one demo session from the teacher also?
Actually, we are starting with the demo session, and if in case you are looking for some other subject demo session, I would request you to give us a call on the mobile number, and the person over there would be helping you out, right? And you can also check our previously held demos on our Facebook group. which is facebook.com/group/Olympiad success. And there you can check all our previously held demos. Okay. All right. So I think so, Meena ma'am, we can start with the session then.
So straight away, I can see many of you are very eager to start with the demo session. So
Yes.
I'll just share my whiteboard with you all. And children, am I audible to you all? You can just show a thumbs up to me. Thank you. And if there's any problem, just let me know in the chat box. Right? So today's topic, what we are covering is simple equation. So a part of it we have done in the previous grade 6. So what is an equation? Can somebody let me know in the chat box? What do you understand by, in the chat box, please? What do you understand by equation? Algebraic statement with equal sign. Very good, Meghna. Okay, so what do you mean by algebraic statement? Okay, so when we are talking about a statement that two quantities are equal, very good. A statement that the values of two mathematical expressions are equal. Yes, Shri Ramanathan, that's correct. So nicely crisp answers you're giving me. A statement which have a variable with a is equal to the sign. Okay, so there are so many terms that are coming here. So first term that I'm picking up here is expressions. Yes, variable and constant. Yes, Yani. So expressions you have done in previous grade. So what do you mean by expression? Expression contains your constants and your, just now Yani mentioned something about variable and a constant, right? Yes, algebraic expressions like 4a minus 3b. So what does it contain? It contains variables and constants, right? Along with the mathematical operations. Using some mathematical operations, what are the 4 mathematical operations? Basic: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? So our expression, algebraic expressions, one of you used this term algebraic expression. So when we are talking about algebraic expressions, we are using in the expressions, we are using some variables and some constants. So variable, the name itself says something is going to vary, right? So value of the variables vary, right? Which we have seen in the previous grade already, right? So variables we normally denote with small alphabets like A, B, C, P, Q, R, M, T, X, Y. Yes, we have seen this already. Just a revision, quick revision of what. So these are how we express the variables. So the variables means the value of these variables can vary according to our equations, right? So we will see that. And what are the constants? Constants means the value of which is not changing. Something which is not changing, that is constant. So value of 2 is always 2. Value of 5 is always 5, right? So these numbers, these numerals, they are constants. They are constants. Value of 101 is always 101, right? If I say X, now it is according to the situation or my choice what value I want to give to X. So this is your variable, right? Which I'm expressing in form of small alphabets, English alphabets, right? Constants, the value remains unchanged. The value remains unchanged. Children, do you understand the difference between variable and constant? Clear to everyone? Right. Right. So in your equation, we have at least we have some mathematical expressions. We have mathematical expressions. Now, when I'm saying mathematical and expression, what does that mean? Expressions you have learned last year, like Darsh had given one example here. Somebody said 3x minus 4y or anything, right? So mathematical expressions containing one or more expression, right? It can have one or more expressions, right? Plus 3 xy, right? So I am having two terms here. Terms, children, what do you mean by terms? Do you remember? What are terms? Darshi is saying yes. So what are terms? This is one mathematical expression, this is another. So here we are dealing with two mathematical expressions, right? So if I use equal sign, whenever I use up till this stage, it is just an expression. It is just an expression. The minute I use equal sign, so now I will have two sides of this. This is my left side of the equal sign, left side. And suppose I write here 15. So this becomes my right side of the equal sign, right? So this left side is called the LHS, left hand side, and the right side is called the right hand side, which is the RHS. So equal sign means it should be balanced. These two sides should be balanced. So we have to give such values to these variables that this equation becomes balanced. That is our aim. What is our aim? That we have to give such solutions to the variables that both the sides are equal. It becomes balanced. How will it become balanced? Both the sides are equal in measure. Clear, children? What is our aim when we are solving it, right? So this is just a general definition for equation which I was trying to give you, right? So we know some terms here. We know what is an equation. We know what is a variable. We know what is a constant, right? Suppose I have this equation 4x plus 9 is equal to 25, right? This is an equation. Why equation? Because we have an equal sign here. Why is it an equation, not an expression? Because we have one equal sign here. Children, is this clear? Why this is? Right? Because we have an equal sign here. So this is our equation. For any expression to call it an equation, we need to have equal sign. And that is the reason we will have two sides and we have to balance those two sides. We have to find such solutions so that we can balance both the sides. Children, till here, it is clear to everyone? Any doubt till here? No. Okay. So if we have this equation and our aim is to find the value or solution for the variable, right? That is our aim. So what do? We will be using some we will have to transpose. Transpose means move certain things from one side to the other, right? So when we are moving certain numbers or variables from one side to the other, we call it transposing. What do we call it, beta? Transpose. Right? We call it transposing. When we are moving one variable or one number from one side to the other, from left hand side to right hand side, or from right hand side to left hand side, we call it transposing. Clear? So now there are some rules for transposing. We just cannot move one thing from there, not just anyhow, right? So when we are transposing from one side to the other, the sign changes. The addition sign, when it changes the side, it will become subtraction sign. Subtraction sign will become addition, right? Ma'am, when we take the number from RHS, it changes. Yes, addition will become subtraction, subtraction will become addition, multiplication will become division, and division will become multiplication. We will see some examples and more will be clear. Yes. So how? If we look at this example, 4x plus 9. Now we have to find the value of x. So what is our aim? We will remove everything else from here. So step by step we will remove. We will not remove together. Step by step, slowly. We will go slow because we are learning. Right? Yes. Yes, Dash. First we will remove 9. So if I have to remove 9 from here, here it is plus 9. When it goes to the other side, it will become minus 9. Yes. So 4x is equal to 25 minus 9. Now what? Plus 9 has become minus 9 because we have changed the side. Right? So if I subtract 9 from 25, children, what do we get? Give me the answer quickly. 16. Thank you, Sohini. Yes. Ahan, Sujal, yes. So we are getting. Now we don't want value of 4x. We want value of only x. Now this When I write it like this, 4x, it means 4 is being multiplied by x. Children, you remember this thing? 4x means 4 is being multiplied. Now I have to remove this 4 from here. So when I take the 4 to the other side, here it is in multiplication. When it goes to the other side, it will come in division. So 16 divided by 4. So when I divide 16 by 4, I get 4. So value of x is equal to 4. Yes, Sujal, An, Yani, yes, Darsh. Very good. Excellent. I like you're being so active, right? So children, this transposing is clear to all of you, right? So we'll take some more examples now. 5p minus 2 is equal to 13. We'll start with simple ones. I want the answers in the chat box quickly. Yes, Sujal, very good. Yes, Dhanishta, Yani, very good. Somebody has some other answer, please check. Okay, we come to the question. The question says 5p minus 2 is equal to 13. When I take 2 this side, here it is minus. When it goes to the other side, what did I write? When it is from here, I move this minus 2 to right hand side, it will become plus 2, right? It will not be minus 2, sign is being changed. So 13 plus 2, we are getting 15. Now 5 multiplied by p. So p, when I have to find value of p, what do? 5 I take to the other side. So 15 is being divided by 5. 15 divided by 5, p is equal to 3. Clear to all of you? Okay. 12 minus 3 upon 2r is equal to 6. 12 minus 3 by 2r is equal to 6. What do we do? Am I doing right? I'm trying to follow the rules of transpose. Yes, Dhanishta? So I am not being scared of these numbers. I am not. Oh, what is this? I am not scared. We will just follow the steps one by one by one. So I saw 12 is alone. I moved that 12 to the other side, following the rules. Here it is plus 12. When I take it to the other side, it becomes minus 12. Now, when I subtract 6 from 6 and minus 12, right? So here, children, we will do it further in one of the chapters, the first chapter. When we will do integers. But just now, I'm telling you, when I am subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number, right? What actually I am doing, I'm subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number. I'm actually subtracting like this only, but I will put sign of this bigger number, minus 6. So my answer will be minus 6. We will do this thing in more detail in the first chapter, right? Integers chapter. Now, I still don't get the answer for R. What do we do? When we number, kg will become, what is kg? We will do this in detail, Yani, don't worry. Huh? So I have to find, now this 2 is in division. When I take to the other side, it will come in multiplication. Yes or no? Here this 2 is in division. When it goes to the other side, it will be in multiplication, children. Yes or no? Now I have minus 3r. So this minus 3, can I remove? Oh, sorry. Minus 3, can I remove from here? Here it is in multiplication, this minus 3. The sign of 3 is minus and it is in multiplication with r. When I'm taking it to the other side, what will happen? It will go in division. So minus 6 into 2 upon minus 3. Children, do you see that? Can you see that? What I'm doing? Right? So, can I reduce? Okay, I will. I have minus 6 into 2 is as the numerator. So my answer will be minus 12. My answer will be minus 12. 6 into 2 is 12. And one number is a negative number. So my answer will be minus 12. Numerator. I'm talking about the numerator. And what is the denominator? Minus 3. As it is, I'm writing. Children, is this clear here? Till here, is it clear? Okay, Darsh is saying yes, ma'am. Sujal is saying yes. Okay. Okay, Sohini. So I am continuing here. R is equal to minus 12 upon minus 3. Now, when I'm dividing a negative number with a negative number, what will happen? This negative and this negative will get cancelled. Minus and minus will get cancelled, right? So positive. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. So R is equal to 4. Our answer will be R is equal to 4. What did we do? We simply followed gradually, slowly the rules of transposing. We followed the rules of transposing. Is it clear to everyone? I'll repeat once again. Our equation, what was our equation? 12 minus 3 by 2 R is equal to 6, right? So what did we do first? We removed this 12 from here. We took it to the other side. Here it was plus 12. When I'm taking it to the other side, it becomes minus 12, right? So 6 minus 12. And what is left here? Minus 3 by 2 R is equal to 6 minus 12. First step is clear to everyone? Okay. Now 6 minus 12. I will get minus 6. Why? I'm subtracting a bigger number, the smaller number from bigger number normally, but I will put the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is minus. So I am putting the sign of the bigger. His dadagiri. I put my sign. So I said, okay, no problem. I will put your sign. Right? I got scared. So I said, okay, 12, don't worry. I will put your sign. So I am putting minus 6 here because that is rule of a math. Right? Now we want to find value of R. So this 2 I will remove first. This 2 is in division. When I take it to the other side, it comes in multiplication. Yes? Now I have to remove this minus 3. This minus 3 is in multiplication with R. When it goes to the other side, it comes in division. So it comes in division here. Minus 3. Yes? This is clear? Now I am multiplying the numerator. Minus 6 into plus 2. So I am getting minus 12 as the answer in the numerator. Yes? I divide that by minus 3. Minus 12 divided by minus 3. Minus and minus get cancelled. When I divide a negative number with a negative number, the answer, the quotient is always positive. Right? That is the rule. We will do it in detail in one of the chapters, first chapter, integers chapter, right? So minus 12 divided by minus 3, our answer is plus 4. So value of R is plus 4. Clear to everyone? Okay, let's take some other example. Okay, my question is, sum of 4 times a number and 5 gives a number which is 5 times of it. Find the number. Children, please read the question. The question says sum of 4 times the number and sum. So we don't know the number. So we are saying let the number be x, which we don't know. Let the number be x. Okay? Because we don't know it. So I am saying let the number be x. Okay. So sum means addition. Sum means what? Addition. So we are adding something. What we are adding? 4 times the number. 4 times number is x. 4 times the number is 4x. Right? And 5. 4 times the number and 5. Okay? Gives means equal sign. Gives us what? A number which is 5 times of it. 5 times of it. It means the number. So we are getting 5. Thank you, Ahan. Thank you so much. So children, how to form this equation is clear from the words. We are following the words and forming the equation step by step. Yes. So 4 times the number and 5. Sum of 4 times the number and 5 gives equal 5 times of it. 5 times the number. Right. Now we know x and x will keep the variables together. So I am moving this 4x to this side. Here it is in addition. So I am left with this 5x minus 4x. When it changes the side, sign will change. So if I subtract 4x from 5x, what do we get? X. Oh, wow. We got the answer so soon. Yes or no? Yes? X is equal to 5. Here, are you understanding? Yani, are you understanding? Sujal, yes. I can see the answer there. Raghav, Meghna, Sohini, Sarvesh, can you understand what we are doing? Vinay, Dhanishta, Vishrut, Atulya, SK Kuber, Kashmi, and Sharudya. Sarvesh, okay. Okay, a simple one. We are running short of time. So last question maybe. 1/4 of a number is 2 more than 5. 2 more than 5. 1/4 of a number. Okay, Meghna, that was quick. Good. We don't know the number. So we are saying let the number be x. Right. So 1/4 of is multiplication. 1/4 of a number is equal to 2 more than 5. Right. So 1/4 x is equal to 7. We need x. This 4 I take that side. So it is 4, because here it is in division. When I change the side, it comes in multiplication. So I get x is equal to 28. Yes. So children, are you getting a feel of what we are going to do in simple equation chapter? This was kind of nutshell. I tried to give you different parts, but when we are doing in detail, we'll do with more steps, right? This is okay. So it's already done in your school. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So children, are you getting? Are you understanding? And are you able to understand my handwriting because of the whiteboard and all? Yes, Ahan, I can see that smile. I like it. Okay, and my voice is clear to everyone? You understand my language? Okay, so I think we have little less time today. So we come back to Rajan sir. Children, you liked what we did today? You understood what we did today?
So how was the session, students? Do you like it? Yes, ma'am. Very good understanding. I have studied. Okay. Yes. Okay. 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 Great session. Okay. Thank you, Ahan. Understood. Okay. 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 Thank you, students. So, students, what I'm doing now, I'm sharing some links in the chat box again. Excellent. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful entertainment. So I have shared links in the chat box. So what you need to do, you need to copy links and save somewhere. Okay. This link will help you to join the classes, live classes. Students, do anyone have any doubts or everything is clear? Okay. 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 No. Okay then, students. So I'm sharing the links again. Just copy and save somewhere. And now Meena ma'am will meet you in the live classes. Okay, students. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Meena ma'am, for the wonderful session. Thank you, students, for joining. Yeah. Good evening. Good
Thank you,
evening. Thank you.
children.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe. See you soon.